things look absolutely ridiculous. Just so much fun. Peels out perfectly. Don't eat the husk. I'm about to eat every single one of these.
No, you're not, or you're gonna have to make 50 more for me.
I'm not making. Oh, hey, bring it. So, folks, easy peasy on the Kamado Joe. Tamales are a big favorite of mine. A gal from Oaxaca, Mexico, taught me how to make these when I had a Latin restaurant in downtown Wilmington. She didn't speak in English, and my Spanish was terrible. But to watch somebody's hands when they don't speak the same language, you figure it out really quickly. 3 for that household, 1 for that household. Yeah.
Daddy,
go ahead, I gotta finish this video. Do we have enough for everybody?
As long as I have one.
You've got one.
And you have one? Island, are you gonna need 2?
This is the problem with cooking amazing food. It goes like that. So tamales on the Kamado Joe, a big joy. Thumbs up from the entire neighborhood. Those who even haven't had them yet, I'm sure they're gonna love them.
Make more.
Yes, ma'am.
Soy un hombre muy honrado que me gusta lo mejor.